1,000 years ago, China's great inventions changed the world. Paper-making and movable type printing offered a carrier for words and thoughts. Compass made directions clear for navigation, while gunpowder presented possible end to disputes. For thousands of years, China's intelligent manufacturing has experienced prosperity and decline, and then revived and developed. After all those vicissitudes, now it can not only meet the strategic development needs of revitalizing the country, but also walk into people's daily life and truly benefit the public. And this only took us less than 2 decades. AI face identification and temperature measuring devices contribute to the orderly flow of people. 5G-based mobile medical care with online registration system for consultation makes medical services readily available. Intelligent robots help firefighters control the fires, reduce people's burden in domestic life, and connect merchants and customers without physical contact during the special period. Applying big data technology, digital travel records and health QR codes have been used to strengthen epidemic prevention and control, as well as the resumption of business operations. Online lessons ensure that learning is no longer limited by time, place, or environment. You may think those are the keys for China's great performance in the fight against COVID-19. No. Long before the epidemic, electronic payment has broken regional restrictions and digitalized the RMB throughout China's streets and lanes, made transactions convenient and safe. China's network would never be deterred by the lack of funds in remote areas. Smartphones and the internet enable people there to see the world and be seen by the world. Shared bikes provide healthy energy saving and cheap transportation for numerous people, rich or poor, to go to work and return home. So what is the secret of China's lasting development for thousands of years? What is the soul of China's intelligent manufacturing? It's for the nation and for the people.